So this tip is about selective use of view template properties. So I often find I go into drawings and there's a whole bunch of view templates that only have one or two things that are different between them. So in this example we've got a 1 to 50. We come in here, we can apply, there's a 1 to 100 that's effectively the same template just at a different scale, same at 200. So a better use of this would actually be to delete these view templates and just untick that property, allowing the scale to vary by drawing. You can do the same with anything in the view template where you essentially allow control over the individual parameters here on a view by view basis, which means one view template can be assigned to multiple views.